Let me ask you this. Madali ka bang mapagod? Palaging bloated o constipated? Madalas magkasakit? May anxiety, mood swings, or brain fog? Umiinom ka ng supplements pero parang walang epekto? What if I tell you na karamihan ng sakit ngayon like weak immunity, skin problems, hormonal imbalance at iba pa, isang ugat lang ang pinanggagalingan and that's our gut. Hindi gamot ang kulang ng tao ngayon, kundi maayos na gut system. Panoorin ang full video para ma-discover ang real gut solution plus opportunity to earn habang tumutulong sa iba na maging healthy.
Science reveals something shocking. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa katawan mo.
May 100 trillion microbes sa loob ng katawan mo. Mas marami pa kaysa cells mo.
Sila ang may malaking control sa immune system mo, kung gaano ka kadalas magkasakit o gumaling.
Pati hormones at weight problem mo, apektado ng gut microbes.
Sila rin ang may kinalaman sa mood, focus at mental clarity. Kaya may brain fog at mood swings.
Kung hindi maayos ang microbes mo, kahit healthy ang kinakain mo, mahina pa rin ang digestion.
Apektado rin ang skin at energy levels. Dahil nagsisimula talaga lahat sa loob. Kapag maayos ang gut microbes mo, mas maayos ang buong katawan mo.
Ganun ang mga pwedeng mangyari kung hindi healthy ang gut. And so kailangan natin ng mag-rebuild ng healthy gut lining at
Para bumabalik sa balance ang 100 trillion microbes mo. Yes, and that's our product.
now let's talk about Synbiotic Blend.
Introducing Biomedra Synbiotic Blend by Bloom's Wellness Trading Corporation.
Sige, pag-usapan natin ang mga benefits.
Let's break it down. Ang isang capsule ay merong probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, zinc, and vitamin D3.
Tama. Sige, unahin natin ang probiotics.
Yeah. Probiotics is good bacteria, tama ba?
Tama ka. They replenish your gut with healthy bacteria, kaya mas okay ang digestion mo at stronger immunity.
Prebiotics naman.
Food sila ng probiotics, tinutulungan nilang lumakas, dumami,
Yeah.
at mag-thrive yung good bacteria.
Then postbiotics, ano ginagawa nila?
Kinokontrol nila yung inflammation at tumutulong mag-repair ng gut lining. Importante yan para sa overall wellness.
Yeah. Zinc at vitamin D3.
Pinapalakas ng zinc yung immunity, hormones, skin, at mood. Yung vitamin D3 naman, sinusuportahan ng bones, energy, at mental clarity.
Yeah. At doctor formulated to, tama?
Yes, gawa to ng isang cellular biologist, fully legal, SEC registered, at FDA approved, pure science.
Yeah.
Hindi mo na kailangan ng maraming supplements.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba na ito ay global business opportunity? What if you could earn weekly just by helping people fix the #1 health problem today?
Gusto ko yan. Now, let's watch kung ano ang business opportunity dito.
Excited na ba kayo na makita ang business opportunity ng Blooms? But before that, let me introduce the founders. Siyempre ang ating president, Ms. Ren Rose Bautista, she is a seasoned entrepreneur with over 20 years experience in business and direct selling. Kilala siya sa kanyang integrity, credibility, malasakit sa kalusugan ng mga Pilipino, provide quality products and sustainable income for everyone. Also ang ating CFO, Daisy Manaloto, she is a dynamic entrepreneur with her own successful food business and strong financial background. Sinigurado niya na ang Blooms ay financially stable, ethical, at built to last. At ang ating COO, Ms. Winona Estalia, she has over 20 years experience in admin and marketing, trained locally and internationally. Kilala siya sa kanyang discipline, compassion, at pagbuo ng system that help people win consistently. With leaders like these, hindi lang produkto ang pinapatatag. Now, let's talk about why this is also a powerful business na mayroong napakagandang ways to earn.
What if you could earn weekly just by helping people fix the #1 health problem today? People are getting sick not because kulang lang sa gamot, kundi dahil sira ang gut health. Kapag maayos ang gut, mas maayos ang immunity, digestion, energy, at overall health. At dito pumapasok ang produkto ng Blooms. May tunay na solusyon, kaya madaling i-share at madaling pagkakitaan. Ngayon, let's talk about our ways to earn. Bilang business partner, meron kang 40% hanggang 50% lifetime discount sa ating products. May sarili ka ring personal business portal, isang online tracking center kung saan makikita mo ang sales, points, bonuses at income mo. At dahil digital ang negosyo, may online mode of payment. Meron din tayong free online trainings at on-site trainings para matutunan mo kung paano mag-share ng product, paano mag-build ng community, at paano palaguin ang negosyo. Beginner ka man o may experience, may system na gagabay sa'yo. Habang lumalago ang negosyo mo, may mga rewards. Meron gadgets, luxury items, travel incentives, at car incentives. Hindi lang income ang binubuo, kundi quality of life. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang pinaka-importante, kung paano tayo kikita. Hindi lang iisa ang income stream mo, multiple ways to earn dito sa Blooms. Meron tayong business packages. Ang starter package ay may 50 points, may kasamang 3 Biomedra Fit Coffee at nagkakahalaga ng 2,180 pesos. Sa bawat ma-refer mong kukuha ng starter package, may 100 pesos direct referral income ka, may 100 pesos group override, maximum na kita ay 5,000 pesos per week at 20,000 pesos per month. Ang associate package ay may 250 points, may kasamang 1 Biomedra Synbiotic Blend at nagkakahalaga ng 5,800 pesos. May 500 pesos direct referral income, 500 pesos group override, maximum na kita ay 15,000 pesos per week at 60,000 pesos per month. Ang business package ay may 875 points. May kasamang 4 Biomedra Synbiotic Blend at nagkakahalaga ng 20,800 pesos. May 1,750 pesos direct referral income, 1,750 pesos group override, maximum na kita ay 45,000 pesos per week at 180,000 pesos per month. Isa sa pinaka-powerful ay ang Builder Package. May 3,500 points, may kasamang 17 plus 3 Biomedra Synbiotic Blend at nagkakahalaga ng 98,800 pesos. May 7,000 pesos direct referral income, 7,000 pesos group override, maximum na kita ay 75,000 pesos per week at 300,000 pesos per month. Meron din tayong Fast 3 bonus. Kapag naka-refer ka ng 3 associate packages, kikita ka ng 1,500 pesos. 3 business packages, 9,000 pesos. At 3 builder packages, 24,000 pesos. Hindi lang yan. Meron kang monthly override na 50 pesos kada bote mula first hanggang third level partners. Kahit hindi mo nakilala ang buyer, may pumapasok pa ring income sa'yo. May rebates ka rin na 350 pesos for every 5 bottles ng probiotic na nabibili o nabebenta mo monthly. At ito ang pinaka-exciting part, ang binary system. Ang team mo ay nahahati sa left team at right team. Kapag may pumasok na packages or products sa magkabilang side, may kita ka. Halimbawa, may 2 partner ka sa left at 2 partner sa right at lahat sila ay kumuha ng builder package. Ang potential income mo ay 66,000 pesos. At kapag ginawa rin nila ang ginawa mo, ang potential income hanggang 5th level ay 3,584,000 pesos. Meron ding product group override sa binary system. For every 250 product points sa left at sa right na magmatch, meron kang income na 500 pesos. What if umabot ng 25,000 product points monthly sa left at sa right? Kikita ka ng 50,000 pesos extra bawat buwan galing sa product purchases ng iyong team. Iyan ang duplication business. Ikaw ay nag-refer lang ng 4 and the system will work for you. Meron pa tayong ranking system. Habang tumataas ang rank mo, tumataas din ang income potential. Kung ikaw ay Ruby Director, pwedeng umabot ng 120,000 pesos per week ang iyong income. At kapag Royal Crown Director, ang potential ay hanggang 900,000 pesos per week. Ito ang income potential na nagsisimula sa isang desisyon, ang tumulong sa ibang tao na maging healthy. Sa Blooms, meron tayong tunay na solusyon at malaking income potential na pwedeng magbago ang buhay mo. Kung ready ka na mag-build ng negosyo na may legit na product, sistema at long-term income, this is your sign to start today. If you want to sign up now, don't hesitate to contact our authorized business partners, and let's start helping more people become healthy while building financial freedom together.